Did you know you can reduce your tax liability through property investments? One of the biggest tax incentives for property investors in South Africa is the Section 13(6) of the SA Income Tax Act. The tax incentive enables a qualifying property investor to claim back from SARS up to 55% of the purchase price of the property or apartment over 20 years. This has a huge impact on the portfolio's return on investment. As a result, a property investor can be in a cash flow positive and profitable situation without having to pay SARS a cent. For the purpose of calculating the deduction, the cost of acquiring a residential unit is deemed to be 55% of the purchase price. The main requirements to qualify for this allowance are that the taxpayer must own at least 5 residential units situated in South Africa, which must be used by the taxpayer solely for the purposes of their trade, and these units must be acquired on or after 21 October 2008. The deduction of 5% per annum over 20 years is applicable only to new and unused units. If you are planning to build your property portfolio or already own 5 or more properties, please complete the questionnaire below and we will arrange an online consultation whereby one of our experts will assist you with your personal wealth plan free of charge and discuss the benefits of the Section 13(6) of the SA Income Tax Act.